Hello everybody, so you see this is a little dish with all these fresh vegetables, chilies, paprikas, peppers, some tomatoes, cherry, jalapenos, fresh garlic. Alright, welcome back. So we got our mixture which we will be mixing. That was not a shallot onion, that was a red onion, but it's a large one. So yeah, then I got left two things to put there because no size. So I just have to put a little bit few more tomatoes, and now let's emulgate it with the oil, salt, pepper, vinegars and stuff like that. Seasonings, I mixed it up and it's juicy, so let's get it. 800 ml of heat. Now you have to put it in the fridge and let it sink everything for at least 6 hours, 8 hours, and then it will be all combined together so nicely. On top of that, you can use a soy sauce, but always mix with oil slowly. Enjoy.